This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Donna Hardy. Open house Saturday, January 15th from 11 o'clock to 3 p.m. This beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath open floor plan home is a hidden gem you won't want to miss. New kitchen with quartzite countertops and new luxury vinyl plank flooring. The main bathroom features double sinks, toilet closet and jetted tub. Enjoy your private backyard from your oversized covered, screened patio. The stone fire pit adds to the fun this home could bring you. The community pool, tennis courts, basketball court and new tot lot make Windy Creek a perfect place to call your home. Located near shopping, restaurants, I-95, downtown Delray and the beaches. No parking on street, must park in driveway, at pool or at Hamlet Plaza. All offers must be received by Sunday morning. For more information, review the details below or contact Donna Hardy at 561-981-9400.